Welcome back to On the Farm with E-I-E-I-O.
As Homestead kids, we do things a little bit differently.
Here are 5 things that most kids do and we don't.
Can you guess number 1? Stay till the end. We're Evelyn,
Isaac,
Eli, Isla,
and this is Oren, and this is On the Farm with E-I.
E-I.
Oren, say O.
Let's go!
Number 5, we don't do team sports.
Instead, we play with the animals, we do 4-H, shout out to Cedar County Center ringleaders, and we make up our own games. Number 4 is we don't do public school. Instead, we do homeschool. Our school is mainly math, reading, and language arts, but we also do stuff like grow food, cook, take care of animals, and run a business. These are life skills that we think that are important, that they don't necessarily teach in schools.
Number 3, we don't have any indoor pets. Instead, we have outdoor pets. Mom won't let us have any indoor pets.
Although all of us kids really do want an indoor pet, we have plenty of outdoor pets already. We're gonna stop in the middle of this video for an announcement. Our great-grandparents, Granny and Bubba, have moved in.
Now we're a multi-generational farm.
Number 2, we don't buy all our food from the grocery store. Instead, we grow our own garden, raise our own meat, and our chickens lay our eggs.
Dip it in there. Eat it.
Rhubarb.
What? Say rhubarb.
Rhubarb.
I don't know how they eat rhubarb raw. It's so sour. I can't do it.
I dare ya.
Do I have to?
Yep.
No, it's too sour. Okay, last but not least, number 1 is no electronics. We watch no TV except for DVDs. We have the exception of YouTube because we have to edit and post our videos. No video games. Instead, what we do is we play outside. We play in the creek, ride bikes, and go fishing. I ride horses too.
So when I was a kid, we had video games, and then I was addicted to them, so Mom had to get rid of them. Now I play outside and jump in the creek. I also search for bugs.
What are you doing? You're so funny. So as we are walking through our family living room, you can see that there's no TV in here. That is our YouTube computer. Comment down below if you guys want a farmhouse tour. Set them on the ground. So the puppies recently got their collars on. They're all different colors. So instead of naming them, we can identify them by the color of their collar. Have been waiting and waiting for Gertie to have her baby, and she still hasn't had it. So we're hoping very soon that she'll have a baby. So, these are 5 things that normal kids do that we don't do as Homestead kids. And just letting you guys know, we're not against any of these things. It's just not what works out for our family. Thanks for visiting our farm today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Love from our farm to your home.
Instead, we have indoor pets.
Turn so we can see you and not your butt.